it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a first impressions, demo, and review on some new Urban Decay products. Yeah! Anyway, so today we'll be trying out the Urban Decay Brow Blade and Brow Endowed. We got these two right here. I have not opened them yet. They're still in the package. We're gonna be testing this out. I don't got any brows on right now, so we gonna see what it's gonna look like. I look real weird right now because I don't have my brows on. Anyway, we're gonna be testing this out. We're gonna see if you need both, if you need one, if you need the other. We're going to find out. So if you want to know the tea, if you want to know my thoughts, if you want to know if it's worth your money hunty, then let's get started. All right, guys, as always, I like to read about the product that I'm reviewing on the website here, just so I get a better understanding of how to apply the product and making sure that I have as few user errors as possible. If you want to skip this reading of the products on the website, then there you go. You're welcome. We're going to be talking about first the Urban Decay Brow Blade Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil and Ink Stain. I think that's pretty cool. And actually, MAC came out with a product like that. I've never tried it before, actually. So I'm really excited to try out this first product and stuff. It looks pretty cool. I heard Raw Beauty Christy talking about this, but I don't really know too much about it. So let's read, shall we? We have it here. It is for $26. Expensive. It comes in 7 shades, so I'm not gonna read any of the shades. It is a new product. Right now it has 5 stars with 3 reviews as I'm currently reading this. If the screen looks a little bit different than when I'm reviewing it, it's because I do these in advance, so things are gonna be a little bit different, but from what I'm reading right now, it's got 3 reviews, 5 stars for this particular product. Okay, so let's read the details. It says what it is: a double-ended ink stain and waterproof pencil that gives you microblade-like definition and precision without the commitment. Good. Ain't nobody need commitment, okay? I got like one friend and that's about it for me. Anyways, there's some other things. It's a cruelty-free and vegan product, so that's great. No phthalates. It's actually called phthalates, sulfates, whatever, parabens. Cool. It says, what else do you need to know? Okay. Brow Blade creates flawless, defined brow looks without the permanence of microblading. Microblading kind of scares me, y'all, because it's like pretty much getting a tattoo, but like on your eyebrows. And I've heard like a bunch of people, I watched this one video from Alyssa Ashley and her forehead was like the size of my foot. It was huge. I was like, I don't want to do that. So anyway, let's keep going. This says the revolutionary ink stain formula brush tip creates precise hair-like strokes while the creamy waterproof pencil fills in sparse areas. Now when they say creamy and waterproof together, that's a little sketch to me because usually creamy means it's not going to be waxy. I kind of like my brow products to be a little bit waxy, especially the pencils and stuff, because it really flattens out the hair and it really stays on. So when they say creamy, I don't know about that. But anyway, it says it's the ultimate temporary solution for pro level faux brows. All right, cool. And then the set contains like really minimal product. Okay, but I mean, you get a 2-for-1 kind of thing. It's like buy one get one free or buy one get one half off, whatever. You get 2 different products in one, so that's pretty cool. So now we're going to talk about the Brow Endow, and this one right here looks to be a brow volumizer. It has a primer plus color in one, and this is the packaging right here. Let's read about this real quick. So this is the Brow Endowed Volumizer. It is for $28. Again, very expensive. It has 7 different shades. There's no reviews currently at this time, but your girl Chad is on the scene. This is what it is: a double-ended tool that volumizes and sets brows in 2 easy steps. A primer fluffs and holds while the tinted cream fills and shapes. Again, it's cruelty-free and vegan. It says what else you need to know. Brow Endowed is like a teasing comb and hairspray for your brows. You use a soft hold primer to amp up volume and the tinted brow cream to intensify the look. The long-lasting formula resists sweat and smudging for 24 hours. So I guess what I'll do is a wear test later on. When this video comes out, there should be a comment that will be pinned down below from me letting you know how this wore all day, and I'll be using both products. All right, so now let's get on to the demo, shall we? So let's try out the Brow Blade first. So let's take it out of the package. I have the shade Dark Drapes Dark Brown because your girl got some real dark roots, okay? My hair is naturally like a brown black, mostly black, and then my hair is blonde right now, but you know, let's just do this. I've been really feeling the dark brows lately, so yeah, I just wanted to do that. So here it is. So this is double-ended. So on one side you have the waterproof pencil, and on the other side you have the ink stain. I look real crazy right now without any brows on. So what I want to do to test these out is I want to do on one side the brow blade and on the other side the brow endow. So it didn't give me any user tips or anything like that, so I'm just gonna work with it the way I know how to use a brow pencil. So it doesn't have a spoolie or anything, which I would prefer, especially using a product that has like a pencil like this. So let's swatch her real quick right here. So this is a little more like creamy versus waxy, but it's not too bad. Like the lines and everything, you can barely see them. It's really nice. You could like make really tiny hair strokes and stuff. The color is good, so I'm not mad about that. It's very neutral. It doesn't have any red undertones, doesn't look gray or anything, so that's great. Let's see how much product you get. You actually get a pretty good amount of product here, so this is nice to know. Okay, so yeah, this is the waterproof pencil side. Now on the other side, which I'm very intrigued by, I'm gonna shake it up a little bit because I don't know, this is how like I feel when I use like liquid eyeliners and stuff. So here's the tip. This tip is really fine. Let's like swatch her out here. Watch out, swatch out. So I really like the tip on this. I wish like more eyeliners were like this, but the color kind of concerns me because it's not the same color as the brow pencil side. It looks a little more reddish. Maybe I need to like tap it in a little bit more. Let's shake it up some more and see. Maybe the ink is not really getting to the brush yet. So let's see again. Okay, so the color looks a little bit better now. The first time I swatched it, it looked kind of like purple, and that concerns me a lot. But then this time around, it is still a little too warm. It doesn't quite match the brow pencil. I don't think I want Cholita brows today. It looks all right. It looks okay. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna apply it to the brow. So what I want to do, I want to play with a little ink stain first. So I'm gonna shake it up one more time for good luck, okay? We're gonna do this brow right here. So stage right, we're gonna do stage right or stage left. Anyway, my right brow. So my right brow, probably your left. So what I like to do with my brows is I like to like do little hairs in this front part right here, and then also elongate my brow in the back. So I guess my game plan here is I'm going to fill in sparse areas with the ink side and then maybe go in and fine tune with the brow pencil. Let's get started with this. Okay, I shook it up some more, and man, the color is going on, and it doesn't look too red, but it does look a little warm tone than I would like. But I'm gonna keep filling and see how this looks. We're gonna finesse a brow. All right, so I didn't use the brow pencil side yet, but look at my brow. This looks pretty natural and stuff. I mean, if you look up pretty close to my eye, it definitely looks like there's hair strokes on there. I would definitely maybe go with like a spoolie. So let me see if I can blend this out a little bit. It's supposed to be a stain, but let me see if I can like try to soften this a little bit because I feel like this part is a little harsh, but it does look pretty cool from far away. It looks like I have brow hairs right there. Now, if you know my story about eyebrows, I took literally a razor and I went zing, and that's why I could fit 3 fingers in between my eyebrows and stuff. So I think it's pretty cool to, you know, try to make these little false hair strokes like this. So let me see if I can like soften this a little bit. I can soften it maybe right here. I did a little kind of like a harsh line right here and stuff. So, you know, not bad. I was able to elongate my eyebrow just a little bit. And you know what? Not freaking bad. Not freaking bad. The color I don't like quite too much because again, it is a little too warm tone for me, but when you look from far away and stuff, it looks pretty darn good. It looks pretty darn good. So actually, before I use the brow endow right stuff, I want to actually try the brow pencil on the other side of my eyebrow. I know I said that I wanted to try the brow endow on this eyebrow, but what I'm going to do is try out the brow pencil first, and then I'm going to wipe off whatever side I feel like, and then I'm going to try the brow endow. Let's go back in with the brow blade. I'm going to take the waterproof pencil. Let's see if we can try to finesse the eyebrow on this side. So here we go. Well now. All right, so judging between these two eyebrows here, this one is definitely like a lot softer. Now, pros and cons about each side. I do like that this one looks a lot more natural and stuff. If you look from far away, she looking good, she looking right, and she looking pretty flawless and stuff, but up close you could definitely see the hair strokes. Now, what I do say is that the color kind of like, I guess, melded in with my skin a little bit better, and it actually doesn't look too red anymore. It looks actually more towards like dark brown. That's cool. Anyway, now we're gonna go on to this brow because I did fill it in with the waterproof pencil side. It is a little bit more creamier than like a typical brow pencil. I like to use the Kat Von D one. I'm gonna stop using that one. It's really good. It's a really good product, but I need to stop using it. And then I also like the Decay Precisely My Brow. I think that one is a really good one. Y'all should try that one out. But anyway, going on to this, I do like the product itself. It's not that creamy, but I would like it to be a little bit more waxy. The color is perfection. The color's perfection is very easy to use. I have no issues with it. As far as longevity, I'm going to leave a comment down below about how it wears and everything like that. So I'm actually going to wipe off this side because I just want to see if it actually stains or not. You know what I'm saying? So I got a wipe right here. I'm gonna wipe off the brow and we're gonna try out the other product here. All right, y'all, my equilibrium is going crazy. The brow is dry. There isn't any kind of like residue or anything on it. We're gonna go in with the brow and down now. I also got the same color, so this one is a dark drapes, dark brown right here. Pull it out. So ooh, look at this packaging right here. So it literally tells you this is the primer and this is the color. Let's try this out. It's a brow volumizer. Now for me, I prefer going in with a pencil and then going in with a brow volumizer or a brow gel. So we're just gonna see how it performs without anything on the brow. So let's do the primer first. This brow is actually my good brow. This brow right here actually has a huge like little bald spot right there that I like to brush over. We do a little comb over there. It's covered up. So anyway, so let's go on to this product right here. Primer. Here we go. This is how it looks like. It's really teeny tiny brush right now. This looks kind of like their Urban Decay primer potion, like the color of it, the original. Does it leave any kind of residue? Does it leave any kind of like color in it? It does not. It's pretty clear and it actually feels kind of tacky. Interesting. Let's open up the color side really quick. Usually these things have like little brow fibers on them. Oh, okay. I do see a tiny little hair on there, but not a whole lot. So usually when I think of brow volumizers, I think of little tiny fibers in there, but I don't see a whole lot. Kind of like Gimme Brow from Benefit. You see little tiny hairs on it. This one you won't see nothing. All right, guys. So I'm gonna apply the primer onto my brows really quick. So what I like to do is brush up and then brush away. So let's do that. Okay, so this primer does have it tinted my brows a little bit. It's looking a little bit frosty right now. Okay, so I'm gonna wait like a couple seconds and stuff, and then I'll apply the color onto it. Okay, so here is the brow color. Let's apply this and see what happens. Interesting. So this is the eyebrow right here. You know what? This looks pretty cool. I like the color. The color really matches my natural hair color, and it did thicken up the individual hairs a little bit. Now there isn't any brow fibers in it. There is a little bit of like dots that come off when like, I guess it's from the pigment in the color. I'm gonna do one more layer and stuff just to kind of see how it looks. But so far I really like the voluminosity that it's giving me because it's like thickening up my eyebrows and stuff without me doing too much. Like for me, this product would be for something that I just like kind of throw on and go. And I never just throw on and go, okay? I take a while to do my makeup. So let me do another layer and see what happens. I'm gonna just apply it onto like the parts that I really need it, like right where the arch is at and like maybe on the ends. All right, cool. So that is the brow all done on this side, just with the brow and down alone. And what I could say is I really like it. Usually this is not my jam. I like to do something a little more geometrical on this side, but this side doesn't look bad at all. It looks very natural. It's not as elongated as I would like, but I could definitely see myself using this as like a throw on and go type of thing. Definitely something like that. Yeah, wow. Longevity wise, again, I will leave a comment down below. Now, what I want to do is I want to put it on this side now. I want to layer it on top of this guy right here. Just for S and giggles. Let's see if this primer takes off the brow here. Let's apply the primer. Alrighty, so I have applied the Brow Endow over top of the brow blade, and guys, look at this eyebrow. She is nice and thick and luscious and beautiful. Okay, I really like this tint right here. It really gives me like the illusion that I really do have thick brows like this. This is real nice. This is real nice. Overall, guys, like I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all. Play around some more. Let's see what I can do here. Okay, so I did little touch-ups here and there with the ink stain, and honestly though, like we're gonna go to the outro and I'll let you know how I feel about these products. So let's go. All right, guys, so how do I feel about the new Urban Decay brow products? Drum roll, please. They are, oh no, Chab. My eyebrows are nice and thick and luscious and beautiful. I love these. And the way like they feel and stuff, they feel like hairspray on your eyebrows. I really like the crusty feeling because that means you know that your eyebrows are gonna stay in place. And my eyebrows go boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam. They go everywhere. Does it transfer? Nope. So I like that they're staying in place right now. So definitely Brow Endow if you want them nice, natural, but like really stay in place brows. This is the way to go. And then if you want really sharp, nice cut eyebrows, then do the brow blade. And if you want both, then get both. I will let y'all know any updates again and again and again and again. And leave a comment down below if you have tried it out and let me know what you think. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Ink formula. Oh, this there should be a link, not a link. The little pencil first. I mean, not little pencil. So anyway, we're gonna pry. Luminos. I mean, what didn't I hold you tighter and tighter?